Hi, Jep, tsaka Joy. So, ayun. So, this is Mark from Stusco Inventory Team 2. And, yun. So, I got wind na, yun na nga, you'll be leaving Shell. And, your team, napilit ako dito, mag-send na, mag-send ng video message. So, yun. Pero, it's okay. And, yun lang, medyo nakakalungkot na you'll be leaving Shell, pero you know naman na you'll be, at least mas mapupunta tayo sa magandang lugar yun. So, yun. And congratulations din sa bagong, kumbaga, episode or chapter of your career, on your career. So, yun lang. Thank you and we'll miss you here.
Ay, sorry.
Ayun. Tapos refer na lang.
Tsaka much appreciated po.
Ayun.
You're the best.
Yeah, of course, yung really much appreciated sila sa stakeholders, no. So, yun. Pagka may urgent talaga, so ping talaga ako sa kanila para sa So, I don't know naman may SOP na sinusunod. So, yun. Siyempre, pa rin tayo doon. Respect pa rin natin yan. Pero, at least, naman nila, ina-assure naman nila yun na complete yung request. Yun, as soon as possible. Hindi na naman sila buong team. So, yun. Thank you. And, good luck again. Congrats.